Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how to link your Coinbase wallet to Opensea, the Opensea application. You could also make use of the website if that is the source you fancy, but for this video I'm going to be using the app. It's quite simple to use. That's to say, you minimize and head over to the Opensea application right here. As you can see, Opensea, click on it, and you'd be first dropped at the home menu, where you can take a look at the new trending NFTs and digital assets as well. You simply head over to the profile icon at the top bottom right corner of the screen. Once at the bottom right corner of the screen, that's the profile icon, you can choose to connect your wallet. That we're connecting, for this video we're connecting the Coinbase wallet, Coinbase mobile wallet. We're connecting that to our Opensea.io, the application. So as you can see, Coinbase isn't listed here. The Coinbase wallet isn't listed. So click on other options, and they say enter an Ethereum address. So you simply minimize and head back to your Coinbase wallet, where you simply click on this copy icon right here. You simply click on the copy icon right here. Once you've clicked on it, you copy your Ethereum address, copied, and you minimize and head back to Opensea. Paste this copied Ethereum address and click on confirm, and boom, your wallet has been connected. You can as well share your Opensea wallet. You can share the wallet. You can check your collected NFTs, your created NFTs, your favorites, your offers made, your offers received, all that good stuff. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can link your Coinbase wallet to the Opensea platform. You'll be given an answer. Thank you.